So here's an update on the car. I just got new tires today, just so that I can get the car rolling around again. Plan on getting bigger wheels and tires. There's the hood, already all done. Suspension panel's done. Cowl almost finished, as well as this fender. Got the sheet metal we got to use to replace this bottom all that's all rusted out. The doors are pretty much done. Need to find new weather strip here that goes here for this one. Got the door card on this side, but I need to take it off to fix this. It doesn't open from the inside. That side works. Need to put all the door card on that side. Original seats that came with the car when I bought it. Got the dash in. Dash never looks so good. And you get a new steering wheel. Tired of this crap. Cheap ass stuff. So probably next, steering wheel and front air dam. The quarter windows are done. You put that back on. Hatch is done. You put the chrome trim back in. Spoiler's done. Started working on the tail lights. Haven't finished them yet. Nothing too crazy. But damn. It's a little dirty still. But it's in, it's done, and looking good. I have the mirrors done. And you put the mirrors back on. Well, once we finish the fenders. And there's an update on my car.